How many of you have ever said this following statement? If only his mother would. If only her father would. What you're doing is you're taking the responsibility of whatever's going on right there and going, I don't want to deal with it. I can't figure it out. I don't want to. I will just take the responsibility, put it on mom and dad. Oh, boom, I'm done. The child can act any way that they want. Is this, by the looks of your faces, you guys are nodding. Some of you are like, get out of our heads. Is that okay? You want to be happier? Who wants to be a little bit happier? Just say, I. Okay, so not everybody wants to be happy. That's fine. It's okay. It's funny, but how many of you know people in your life that literally, if they had nothing to complain about, they would not know what to do with themselves? Right? They would actually live free lives, and they would pursue their dreams and their passion, and they would find a purpose, but they don't even know how to get out of it because they're just stuck complaining. Right? Exactly. It's a circle. And they could choose to get out of it, but they don't. If you want to be happier, eliminate one word from your vocabulary. Should. He should be this way. She should be that way. Society should be this way. Your paycheck should be that way. You take out that word should, and you become happier. And then you can always put should back in there and just be unhappy again. You get that choice.